In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money on TikTok using the Creativity Beta program. So it's interesting because TikTok is coming up with a bunch of new ways for creators to earn. There's the Creativity Beta program, the TikTok Shop. I'm starting to make videos for this on the channel, so check those out if you're interested. And also things like paid playlists. So this is super interesting and something worth paying attention to. In the Creativity program, basically any video that you upload that's over 1 minute long, so it can be 1 minute and 1 second long. So I've posted a few videos that meet these requirements. You also need to have 1,000 followers to get accepted, I believe. Like this one here in the middle with the Crocs, this one with the gold bar, and this one on the right side of the screen with almost 10,000 views. I think those are the only 3 that I've posted that are in this program. So now let me show you how to check it out. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner, then tap on Creator Tools. From here we can scroll down and go to Creativity Program Beta. This is going to give us our dashboard for this program. So you can see I've earned $8.70 just by posting those 3 videos, not really trying too hard. So you can see I'm earning a little bit here, $1.09, $1.60, 38 cents. $1.19. So nothing crazy, right? But imagine you upload every day and you start to build some momentum. Rather than only the 3 videos that I did, you can easily see how this can turn into $100 or $500 or $1,000 a month. I also have friends in this program that have posted videos that have gone viral and they've made a few $1,000s just off of a single video. And that can be good income for people, especially if you're going to be repurposing content that you're already doing for YouTube or some other platform. And you can also scroll down and see the RPM is 65 cents, which is definitely not bad. If you aren't in this program yet, just go to this same spot I did and you'll be able to apply for it. It's definitely something to start thinking about doing if you're a creator. These payouts can definitely add up. It's kind of how I started on YouTube, very small, and then just slowly growing each day. And now I'm able to do content creation as a full-time thing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.